Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I know my setup is kind of different, but that is because I want to show you guys this amazing recipe which has worked so well. It is a DIY recipe. For those of you all who don't know, I am actually a skincare formulator and a cosmetologist. So while I make formulations which are slightly more complex, I also make these home DIY formulations because guys, they work so well. And honestly, I feel in the market you only have haldi and dahi and besan, carb, multani mitti, just face masks like that. But guys, we have so many more ingredients, so many more things that you can actually make. So here I am, and let's get started. Now the first thing we are going to be using is some masoor dal. Now masoor dal has some natural bleaching properties. Trust me, with masoor dal you will get to see like instant brightness. Like once you apply masoor dal on your face, um instantly your skin, like your face, will just glow up. Okay, so I am taking, so all the measurements guys, I'll put it down in the description. But yeah, so I have taken roughly 2 teaspoons of masoor dal, and then the next thing we are going to be adding is some oat powder. Oats, like your normal जो oats मिलते हैं उसका मैंने powder करके रखा है. Now oats, so also with every product which we are adding, I'll tell you why we are adding this particular product. Okay, now like I said, masoor dal is going to give us a nice brighter brighter looking face. Oats are really good at soothing your skin. ठीक है. Along with that, they also make the face pack a bit more bindable, if that makes sense. It's going to bind in a, if you see, when you heat oats or when you put water in oats, it becomes thoda sticky. So we are also using it for that benefit कि वो थोड़ा sticky होके bind करेगा. And also it is really good at soothing your skin. Your skin will feel so hydrated, so just your skin barrier को help होगा. Now if you are someone who has sensitive skin or anything like that, you are going to love it. Okay, then after that I have some kaolin clay. Now okay, can you guys see? I have some kaolin clay. Now kaolin clay is really like, it's a very gentle and a mild form of clay. Now if you have really like dry skin, don't use kaolin clay. But if you are someone who has like oily to normal skin type, go for kaolin clay. What this kaolin clay will do, I'll tell you why you should use, why you should not use, and what it's gonna do. So firstly, what will kaolin clay do? Kaolin clay will give us more binding, and वो आपको लगाने में थोड़ा simple होगा. And also आपका clay के वजह से, because of this kaolin clay, the face pack, when you apply it on your face, वो dry हो जाएगा, which is why we have kaolin clay. Reason one. Now kaolin clay will also help to exfoliate your skin, so that is another reason that we have kaolin clay. Now if you have sensitive skin, can you technically use kaolin clay? Yes, you can. But जो clay होता है, any clay, even when they, like, the funniest thing is when people say hydrating clays. What are hydrating clays? I have no idea, because whenever you add a clay, unless you add in humectants in that or oils in that, clay by itself cannot be hydrating. Clay, any form of clay, is going to make your skin dry. So if people who have oily, acne prone skin, उनके लिए clay बहुत अच्छा होता है. If you have dry skin, it is not going to harm your skin, but it can make your skin slightly drier. It will not damage your skin barrier or anything. Just वो आपके जो skin पे oil होगा वो थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा. तो all you have to do, if you have like dry skin type, इसमें just add in 1 teaspoon of glycerin if you have dry skin. Okay, otherwise this is good, nothing will happen to your skin. Now in this I'm going to add in a little bit of rose water. Now I do have some things to tell you guys about rose water as well. Now and this is what it's looking like, and I'm just going to mix it. Now with rose water, see जो normal आपको दिखता है गुलाबरी का rose water, if you go back and see the ingredients, it is actually water, propylene glycol. It has I think rose essential oil or something, or rose I'm not sure. Anyways, I'll put that somewhere on the screen, but it does not have it's not a rose hydrosol. Now rose hydrosol क्या होता है, when you actually heat roses along with water and उसका जो distillate बनता है, that is your rose, your real rose water or your rose hydrosol. Okay, and that is very good for your skin. But most brands, you know, if you get your rose this thing, your rose water very cheap, just know it's not real rose water. Okay, and this is how the mask is going to look. See, can you guys see? This is what it's looking like. I'm just mixing it. कोई clots अगर होगा तो मैं वो mix कर दे रही हूँ. This is, so I'm getting you guys थोड़ा you know, closer. Now this is what your face pack or your face mask should look like. And I'm gonna be applying this on my skin to show you guys like actual results कैसे आते हैं. Now see, एक तो you can use it as a scrub because you have masoor dal powder, you can use it as a scrub, but I want to use this as a face pack because face pack के benefits guys, they are insane. And benefits is ज़्यादा the instant results that you can see now with this face pack, that is just too much. So let's just apply it. Also guys, in the comments, let me know what other kind of videos do you want me to make, or do you want more like product recommendations, do you want more like DIY recommendations, like I'm waiting. So let me know. Also, if you are not, please go follow me on Instagram. I am like I post a lot, I post there like a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this, and yes, you guys can apply it on your neck as well, but I have a mic and everything right now as I'm filming it, so I'm not going on my neck, but otherwise I do apply on my neck as well. So now I'm going to just wait. It is 11:23. I will be back by 11:30 5ish or so. You have to give this mask around 15 minutes to kind of dry out. Let's apply थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे थोड़ा कम लगा, and then I'll show you everything after that. So guys, everything is done. I have washed it off, and this is what my skin is looking like. And trust me, this face pack works like this every single time. Okay, so if you're wanting to, you know, have a face pack which will not only hydrate your skin, but also brighten your skin, go in for this one. The oats do hydrate, but like I said, if you have dry skin, add in thoda glycerin, it will help you a lot. And yeah, I really hope you like this video, and if you have liked it, please make sure the guys that you're going down and subscribing, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. And also let me know in the comments what would you like to see next. And thanks for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.